Hey, welcome to Daily Devo. I'm Pat. Today we're going to talk about devotion to one another. Do you have any of those surface level relationships in your life? I'm talking about the people you make small talk, but never really talk about anything other than basic topics like the weather or sports or work. It's the people you know but aren't really attached to or don't connect any deeper than a conversation that goes something like, "How was your weekend?" "It was good." These types of relationships are normal, and in fact, when you stop to think about it, it's actually impossible to have a deeper connection with every single person you come in contact with on a regular basis. Think about all the people you see in an average week, your coworkers, family, friends, not to mention all the people at the places that you go to on a regular basis, like the gym and the grocery store and neighborhoods and gas stations and parks and schools. It would be exhausting to keep up with the details of every single person's heart and life. So, if it's impossible to keep up with everyone, can we keep up with a few? Should we go deeper with a few? Yes and yes. In Romans chapter 12, verse 10, Paul wrote these words. He said, "Love each other with genuine affection and take delight in honoring each other." Love each other with genuine affection. I think you and I can pretty easily identify when a relationship is genuine compared to when it feels fake or stays in the surface level zone. The authentic relationship is the kind of friendship that cares, takes the time to understand, lends help, celebrates, listens, and stands by your side in the good or bad times. It's all about being devoted to one another. Devoted, meaning there's loyalty and kindness and care and respect and trust and honor. You know it. I know it. When we experience this type of relationship, it changes our lives. All throughout Scripture, it talks about relationships and friendship and love and matters of the heart and devotion and much more. God created us, you and I, for doing life together, not alone. I challenge you to be aware and to pay careful attention to the people in your life this week. They're in your life for a reason. Remind yourself of what Paul wrote in Romans 12:10 and allow yourself to genuinely love and honor those people in your life. You won't regret it because God created you and me to truly and deeply experience relationships, connection, and devotion.